Hello, welcome to my channel. This is the Foldable Fan unboxing therapy, foldable and desktop floor in one, ultra long endurance up to 24 hours, support for block wind regulation, 180 reverse wind direction adjustment. This is a fan that you can use when you feel so, when you're in hot weather. So this is the unboxing therapy for a new fan. This is how it looks. Inside you have the USB cable, USB-C to USB type. Hope you're seeing this. And this is the unboxing. Yes, so there's nothing else that comes with it. There's some paper inside and nothing else. So this is the unboxing therapy for this one. Just bear with me. Wow, looks amazing. This is how it looks like. This is how you fold it. So you bring it up and then start doing everything. These it has 1, 2, 3 and then off. So this is how it looks, and it has a USB and then the type C for rechargeable. So that's it. Yeah, and the rest, this is locking, unlock, and then you can lock it, press it here, and then you unlock it, and then moves up sideways. This is lock, unlock, then you can press down. It goes up and down. So that's it. If you need it, you can already subscribe on this channel, and then you get the rest of the adverts and the rest of the new things for unboxing. All right, have a great time. Bye bye.